So welcome to my new channel Visions Review. So today I am going to tell you about CoreSim. Previous video I already demonstrated the demo of CoreSim. So today I am going to tell you about the review and pros and cons of CoreSim. So what is CoreSim? CourseSim is a supercharged video course app that is designed to help anyone to make e-learning easy, engaging and effective. If somebody is providing any e-learning course, this tool can be very effective to draw more students to their videos after making them impressively attractive and convenient. Once the students find the content most appealing, that page is more likely to draw traffic towards it, as students will come back again and again, and as a result the customer will multiply the profits. So all this become possibly through the powerful artificial intelligence of CoreSim that transcribes, translate and tags videos to make them accessible to the whole world, of course making them more interesting too. So who is the owner of the CoreSim and who is created the CoreSim? The man behind CoreSim software is Neil Napier. He is a well-versed figure which is known to the world as an online marketer and software developer for years before. He has a variety of 1 million customers around the world who make use of his products. He has been marketing online for many years, having done multiple six-figure product launches and webinar promotions across many platforms such as JVZoo, PayKickstart and others. So next I will tell you about the 3 steps about how to make courses free of cost and create own sale. So let me first tell you about the 3 steps. So first you go to the video section, then you, here are the videos of many courses. You can sell these courses to anyone and get profit, but I am going to tell you about the how to create a free copyright free material, copyright free e-learning course that you can sell to anyone. So first go to the add new section. Okay, then go to YouTube. Okay, so let me open YouTube and then search for, wait, let me open the YouTube. Yeah, so I am going to here affiliate marketing course. Okay, so here are the many courses you can see there, but we need copyright free courses. So first click on Creative Commons. Creative Commons, when you can use the videos as a commercial purposes and you can edit before the video published to your CoreSim. So let me copy the video link of the this video. Okay, so let me copy the video link. So I have copied the link and go back to the CoreSim, and here section YouTube, paste your YouTube link and upload. Let it upload, and in a few minutes it will be uploaded. Okay, so let the upload finish. Okay, done. The e-learning video from YouTube is placed. Okay, so the now go back, and the next step is create a video pages. So now create a video pages, then click on add new, title that's CPA marketing course, learn CPA marketing course. Okay, so URL you can give you any random keyword or other your title, then you can upload your logo. Then it is a very common and unique features is that it's you can place a password to your courses. So I am here placed a password, that is my password. Okay, remember it. Okay, so then you can save. After saving this, go to the again the video section, and which I have created the post. Click on this and this one. Okay, open. So this one, and then click on embedded, and you can change the position of the embed options. You can here the change the player option. Okay, so I am here going to copy the code and save changes. Then again go back and video pages, and then CPA marketing course. Then here you go to the page settings. Okay, so I have already pasted, so here save this option. Now open the page. Now open the page. Here you boom, you have created a e-learning course of affiliate marketing. So whenever you enter the password, you go to the course. Okay, see there. So this is the short demo of Coursim, and already I'll tell you how does Coursim software work. Okay, so I will give you the complete article in my description, so you can read there. So if you take the Coursim now, then I will give you $3,000 free bonuses. Which bonuses? Check here. I will give you the complete link of the Coursim review. So let me go to the bonuses. Wait, let me go to the bonuses. Here the bonuses. HG stock video bundle $147. Second is rank engine commercial, and $3,000 bonuses. You can't imagine, bonus based traffic software. Next one will be, my internet is slow, so bonus 2, which is value of $4,000, and lot of bonuses you can check here. But if you take action, then you will get the bonuses. You can contact me in the Instagram for bonuses. Also check my description for bonuses. Okay, so that is a very low price of Coursim, and Coursim starter, Coursim commercial, and Coursim unlimited. So you can get in just $47. So just get it now and create your own course. Okay, and the most important thing I am going to tell you is the pros and cons of Coursim. The pros is it has hosting package, it is powered by artificial intelligence tagging technology, it's complete analytics, it has unlimited storage, it has human like text to audio, and it's SEO friendly and simple ranking. Its customization facility is very good. Email shares and social shares, downloadable or guarded video content, means you can uh, give password to your e-learning course, and it has multiple languages. And the cons is it's not so simple, it may be time consuming. If you give your time to create a e-learning course, then you will get huge profit from this. Okay, so actually as digital marketer, local marketer or agency, video marketers, affiliate marketers, bloggers are perfect user for the Coursim. So get it now, and don't buy without my bonuses. If you buy from my special link, you will get $3,000 bonuses. So check the description. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.